on hand weave, it looks like this. So what we have to do first, we have to hold it in the right hand side like this from downside our hula hoop, and here we go. Now it is in my right hand side, and now here we go to the back. I'm taking my hand back, coming up and going towards the left hand side. So here this is the left hand side, then again going up and coming down towards the right hand side. Again we are back from the starting. So it goes like this. It looks like criss and cross, up and down. Here we are. So here we go in a fast mode, and it looks like this: criss cross, criss cross. Okay, so now we can try this with the left hand side, and here we go again, up and coming towards the right hand side, up and back towards the left hand side. Here we go for the next one, and this is called smear. It looks like this. This is the hand smear. We go in around, and we can start like this. So we are holding the hoop from inside from both the hands, and this is my right hand side, the right hand, and it goes down like this. My left hand side is up, and then we have to take the hula hoop back. It's like this. And then my left hand goes down, and here we come in the front, and again right hand side is down. So like this, left hand down, right hand up, right hand down, right hand up. So we go in a fast mode, and now we go in a circle. And the next is lasso trick. This is the upside lasso and the downside. So like this we have to start from the right hand side. I'm holding from downside, and then we have to start hooping above the head. So here it goes above the head. I'm hooping, now it comes down. So like this we have to stop the hoop, then from right to left it will go. We have to turn it, and then again we can start up lasso. So down and up, 2 times up and 1 time down. We can do like this. And the next is hand to waist. So it will be like this. So how we can start is, first we have to start on the hands on the top of the head, and the left hand will be on the chest. Then we have to move right to left and take it down on the waist, and backward forward pushing. We have to start on the waist so that it will roll on the waist for a long time. So once again I'm showing you on the top of the head. I'm rolling right hand up and left hand on the chest, and right to left movement we have to take this one, and just it will roll so that you can go backward forward. It will roll on your waist. And the next is waist to hands. So for this, first we have to start hooping on the waist, and now right hand is going back. See, like this, the hoop should touch with your palm, and then we have to grab it like this. Then take out your body from the hula hoop upside, and now you will start on the top of the head rolling. So here we go, started on the waist, backward forward, and now right hand going back, touching with the hula hoop all the time. Your hula hoop should touch and take it up on the top of the head. So once again, down, it is on the waist. Now hand is going back, and grab it and take it up. And the next is Escalator. So we go like this. So first we have to hold in the right hand, and now the right leg we have to take inside the hoop. Now the left leg inside the hoop. Then we have to slowly pass the hula hoop from our body like this, and it will be outside. Then we can start hooping on the top of the head. So once again, right leg inside the hoop, and see, you can see it is nicely fixed in my leg. And now left leg, and it is up. Now how we can come back, turn, and we are coming back. Now the left leg out, and once again we are at the same position. So here we go, up and upside hooping. Now turn back. We can give a twist, like it will look beautiful. So turn back and it will come down now. And the next is hand isolation, and this is the one hand isolation. So how we can start is, first we should have a good grip on our hula hoop. So here we go. This is, we are at the 6 o'clock, then 3 o'clock, and we are reaching up to the 3 o'clock. Now it is going up to the 12 o'clock, and then open the palm and just grab it